Moin, I'm Felix. Welcome to Hello Tools. Last time on the building site, the bricklayers asked me if we could cut the bricks for his masonry. Certainly you need to cut the bricks to create good interlocking masonry and also create the right corner profile. I recommended this extreme cut diamond disc, which you can use dry or wet. After placing the bricks on a wooden board and align them flush with the straight board, you can draw a line using a level, which is straight as well. And then you don't cut the brick completely, because the bricklayer will be able to tap it with a hammer to the correct length once he wants to use it in the wall. To create a safe work environment for yourself, you will want to rotate the handle and the blade guard of the angle grinder in a way that the dust will fly away from you and not into your face. Then you can start making a longitudinal cut through the bricks in the way that you have marked before. And then you're done. Now let's go to the building site. The contractor was very satisfied with my work and he said that I should really return, bring breakfast.